Today on Making Stuff Up, we're going to watch this guy make a hose clamp in less time than it would take you to go buy one. Cut a strip of metal, about a 1/2 inch thick, wide, thick, wide, like that. Fold one end over.
Try and keep it straight.
Pinch it down. Punch a hole right in the middle. Pull the end down.
So let me get this straight. The banks made package these things called mortgage-backed securities for sale to our 401k pension funds and all the sorts of stuff like that where you couldn't move your money.
Wrap it around the hose.
Cut off like an extra margin. Check your size real quick. Make sure that you don't have it touching, because then you won't get any clamp out of your clamp. That's how you determine where you do it. So they sold these things to our pension funds, 401k funds, and all that crap, knowing full well that the homeowner couldn't make the note and they were going to get foreclosed on eventually anyway.
Pinch it down.
And then hand that loss to your 401k and pension fund. You spent the money to buy your neighbor's house who didn't make it, got foreclosed on. You get the loss in your 401k pension fund or municipal funds or whatever. They end up with the deed, and your neighbor ends up living on the street. Sweet. And when the price of the house falls, we bail them out because we can't have the banks going under. But we can sure as heck have a lot of families going under and losing their homes left, right, and center. That's okay, but can't have no banks going down.
Straighten out the edge.
Cool. What the hell is it?
And then you tighten down the clamp.
Now, it might not look like the sexiest hose clamp, but on Sunday night it'll work.
And that's how you make a hose clamp in less time than it takes to go